little ones and a medium one and a little one. Hey, thanks for stopping by, and it's potato harvesting day finally, and it's already underway outside, as you can probably hear. Let's have a look. Oh my goodness.
Hey guys, look what I just found.
You should make sure you get through one spot all the time before you move on to another one. Oh my goodness. There's more than I thought.
You're gonna have loads of potatoes. You can make crisp.
Oh my goodness. Found one of my own. Whee. There's another one. There's another big one. There's still stems there, so if you follow the stem down or even pull it up, that's kind of roughly where they'll be.
They're hard to find too. They're hard enough. Ew, I hate them.
Oh, he's not going to do anything to you.
They're so scary though. I know, they look like these can bite you. Snails.
Yeah, that'd be the end of you. Be on away to the hospital.
How deep?
For stitches.
How deep does this have?
This year it's not as deep as it was last year. Last year it was very, very deep.
You do this by yourself?
I do.
Fun.
Yeah, that's what I do. Look there, look, there's loads on the bottom of that one. Zoe.
It's kind of getting annoying. Say no. Your thing's gonna be over.
There's another one. Another one.
Oh my god.
Quite big, like, there's not really many small ones unless they're all hiding.
You jinxed it. Oh, this one was
Late there.
I just have
So that's what I've gotten out of there, and now it's on to the tubs. Teamwork.
Oh god! That one, two. Oh my god!
He's a hero, throw him back. I think that's it for that one, maybe. Hello, friend. Check that little bit there where the wood is. Yeah. Tub number 2. This is the store-bought Jemson.
Push it away.
Jemson. Oh my goodness.
Oh my god.
Ooh, nice. I like them. They're very nice, actually. Nice new potatoes. And they're easily distinguished from the other ones as well. They're paler. The other ones are more yellow.
So what's better?
Oh, they're both good. They don't need peeling. They didn't get hit with potato scab. They have potato scab. It just doesn't hurt you. It's just, you don't want to be eating it, really. Oh, jeepers, there's loads of these.
Jeepers is your favourite word.
Jeepers creepers.
Oh my god. You mocked it.
There's another one. Mind your hair, it's in the potatoes.
Potatoes. Your hair's in the potatoes. Oh, that one. Yeah.
I don't think it's smaller than a marble.
We tipped out this one as well. We tipped out this one, but there's not too many.
Let's have a look. There's a whole lot from the ground. And not as many individual ones as last year, but generally bigger though. That's alright. And they're the ones from the tubs mixed together, but you can tell the Jemson are much lighter in colour. Fairly tasty looking for something that's covered in muck. Nice. So, there we go. Not bad. Just let them dry off a bit there. Some more. I'll put them away. So, that's it. That's my spud harvest for this year. Got through very quickly. I think the addition of the extra helper, I have a third helper this year. I normally have 2. So I think that speeded things up a bit. But overall, I'm very happy. A decent enough harvest there. I'm happy with that anyway. I don't go about weighing things and this is how much I have in terms of weight. By eye, it looks alright for me, so I'm happy with it. And that's the main thing. So thanks for tuning in. And I'll catch you in the next video, short or live stream. Take care. So, potato.
Hello. Who wants to have a tiny competition? The war here? Smallest one.